Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
I love that song. I love that song too. I went and listened to it after I watched the episode. It's not the song I would play at a birthday party. No. Probably not. But I love that song. People are gonna sneak off from this party and they're gonna have some cake in the warehouse. The warehouse is the sneak site, clearly. Her fiance? She doesn't have any guilt about it. I guess not. She has no problem sleeping at. That was a really interesting thing to say because baklava is very, very sweet. Like if you've lost your too much of it and I get a stomach ache because, you know, they give you a tiny piece because they're just so good. Well, that's what happens with you. You're always like, Ange, look how cute, it's so tiny. I know. And then you're like, Ange, I have a stomach ache. I know. Dwight, Holly, Michael, and Ronnie.
Yeah, you can change before September.
Yeah, you can change anytime you want.
Yeah, but just get the cook done and then just.
The car gets repaired and taken care of.
I mean, he's down to do insurance. I think he just like and I told him I was just gonna.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, that guy! Oh my god!
He was just not paying attention.
Whoa! Go around.
Let's go, bitch! Damn! What you doing, asshole? I thought you were...
Call them today. That's Enco, AA, NCO. If you have no clue, you have to get alignment help.
Oh, what the
Members only benefits, unlike any other,
shit,
that gives
bro.
you access to one-on-one health support.
What the Alright, you gotta go. Not business, bro.
Call and get a card of your own.
Dude, I ran a red light. Oh my god, I didn't see that one. Go! Come on! Let's go! Fuck you sitting there for? Something to do with it. Holy shit. Come on, man! Dude!
What the f are you doing?